Hey guys, we received this Sweetfull portable handheld mini fan with a LED display. It's a 2-in-1 personal foldable USB rechargeable handheld fan with a flashlight. So it can be used for travel, Lash, Eyelash, cute small pocket fan for anyone. So let me just unbox it and show it to you. So let's test and try that how this is. So this is a manual. There is a charging cable and a lanyard. So first impression, very small factor in the small portable size that you can see it here. And also you have this charging cable and a lanyard. So you can put in just to carry anywhere. And this have a small fan and a flashlight here. So just take this out. So first try the fan. So here is the button and then you can see the fan speed. You can also see the indicator of the battery here. This is the level 2. So two levels of the fan that you can be used, and it's really giving good air. So it's a personal fan, so you can be used for person and for person's foot. And this is also a protection that even if it touches your skin or the hand, it will just stop working without hurting your hand or the skin. So this stop working and then you can just compactly packed it and see, and there's a flashlight here. So you can just run the flashlight and see it's also bright. So basically it's a very nice 2-in-1 a rechargeable portable handheld fan with a flashlight. So you can carry it anywhere in a purse or in your pocket and take it anywhere in this summer. So it's pretty much nice with the travel, camping or any other use. You can also put in this lanyard so you can just carry in or as a strap along with you. So a very nice handheld fan with a flashlight.